the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Friday, September 30th. We kick off the month of October tomorrow, which happens to be my favorite month of the year with great weather. But man, do we need some rain around here. Prospects not looking good anytime soon. And what's the latest on Hurricane Matthew? Let's check it out. Water vapor satellite view. Nice trough over the east. Upper low north of the state. And man, it feels good. Temperatures only in the upper 60s in a few spots. Look at Coleman, 69. Huntsville, 67. Birmingham, 72. We should be at 80 at the end of September. Way below average. And around the nation, much of the United States in a refreshing, cool continental air mass. Accordingly, not many problems on the watch warning map today. A couple of marginal risks ahead of the upper low through parts of Ohio, Virginia, North Carolina. Of course, we're dry here, and we stay dry here. This is the rain for the next 5 days. Nothing. This is valid through Wednesday morning of next week, and even beyond that, prospects not looking good for 10 days. Of course, the big story in national weather is Matthew. Now a major hurricane, Category 3, top winds, 120 miles an hour. Looking very impressive. Nice eye on the visible satellite view. Models take it north across Cuba. Of course, it's got to hit Jamaica first, and then eastern Cuba, then across the Bahamas. And for those three nations, it will be problematic, obviously. Most of the guidance keeps it offshore, but there's no guarantee that's the case. The one outlier, the clipper that goes into the Yucatan, that's a statistical model, not a dynamic model. Just ignore that. This will not be a Gulf of Mexico system. The GFS, 21-member ensemble, you can see that keeps it out of the Gulf, but a few members have it pretty much on the Atlantic coast. Most members do not. Most members keep it offshore. Intensity guidance, just a slow ramp down in coming days with possible interaction with Jamaica and Cuba and the Bahamas, but still, this will be a very formidable hurricane for the next 5 days. Here's the official track from the Hurricane Center. It's near the eastern tip of Jamaica Monday morning, then coming across eastern Cuba Monday night, and then out into the Bahamas. And again, in that path, there could be some very significant damage. It will weaken a bit coming across Cuba, but still certainly a problem there. And our friends on the Atlantic seaboard, all the way from Miami to Cape Cod, will have to watch this. Let's hope it stays offshore, but for now, there's no guarantee. Here's the GFS, the 12Z run. This is valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock. Upper low beginning to lift northward, and again, we should be a bit warmer tomorrow. The high should be around 80. The sky will be sunny. We start the day in the low 50s, and again, the cooler pockets will see 40s. Sunday, beautiful, sunny. Highs 82 to 85. Monday, we stay dry. Low to mid-80s are likely. This is Tuesday. You can see Matthew on the northern coast of Cuba. We're dry. Wednesday, Matthew dangerously close to the South Atlantic Florida coast. Again, they're going to have to watch this thing carefully, and of course, that doesn't look good for the Bahamas there. But for us, we're dry. Looks like we might see temperatures coming down a little bit with some cooler air dropping in from the north. Highs maybe closer to 80 on Wednesday. This is Thursday. We're dry. Matthew, again, just east of Daytona Beach. And this is a week from today, Friday the 7th. Little trough passing north of the state. Matthew, just off the coast of the Carolinas. We have a northerly flow here. And again, that day should be warm with highs in the 80s most likely. Here's the end of the forecast period, Monday, October 10th. Big trough over the northeast United States, a new one coming into the west coast. And again, it's dry. We just can't buy a shower. Drought conditions here will worsen over the next 10 days. Numbers next week will be warmer. Highs mostly in the 80s, lows mostly in the 50s. A little above average for early part of October. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes in the blog. My next video will be posted here Monday morning at 7 o'clock. Brian Peters, the man that looks like Colonel Sanders, will have the video updates tomorrow and Sunday. And if you can, catch us this evening on the live stream of the television site, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great weekend, and God bless.